Got a promotion going on. With a $75 order, you can get a free Quickshot. Scan the QR code or go over to ab4solutions.myamsoil.com. Today we're going to upgrade the AMSOIL in this 91 Jeep Wrangler. A 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. Runs pretty good. And it has 199,000 miles. So let's see what kind of difference the AMSOIL will make. We're going to start with the engine and transmission flush. Cleans and prepares the engines and transmissions for new oil. I don't know if you can see that, but it loosens sticky valves, will quiet the lifter noise, clean seals, and reduce oil consumption. So I don't know if you can see that. You can see the buildup, a little sludge there, and this engine flush is going to help us clear that out of the engine. There we go. Alright, now we're going to start it up and let it idle for 15 minutes to clean that engine out. This is only after 30 seconds. It's already quieter. You don't hear the lifters hitting any like they were before. Alright, it's been 15 minutes. We're going to let it cool down before we drain the oil. So we have 4 quarts of the high mileage 100% AMSOIL synthetic motor oil. Cleans and protects up to 12,000 miles or 1 year. Focus. There you go. Good thing about that Jeep is it only takes 4 quarts. And then we get a Wix filter to keep it clean. Thanks for watching AB4 Solutions.